Hi everyone. Today I'm going to give few tips on how we can apply goal seeking registered valuer examination. Now we'll take the example of growth rate calculation. The formula for growth rate calculation, as you know, G is equal to B multiplied by R. G for growth rate, B for retention ratio, R for rate of return. Now in the formula, if they give R and B, and we can easily calculate G, that is B multiplied by R. So we get G is a 6%. Now suppose if they ask us to calculate R, that is rate of return, and remaining two they have given. Now we'll take it. So we will apply the formula as G is equal to B multiplied by R. The same formula we'll apply first. And we know B. So therefore we'll put the B here, that is 60%. And we don't know what is R, right? So but we know what is G, so I am going to calculate R using the goal seek. The shortcut for the goal seek is alt tg. I am going to apply alt tg. This screen will open. This has three three items, that is set cell, in which cell you want to apply goal seek, that is F13, and to which value I wanted to. That means in this cell, in which value I want to get it. I know growth rate based on the previous formula, growth rate, they've already given it, that is 6%. And by changing, what I want to change is R. Say enter, boom, you got it. See, this is 10%. We got it right. 6%, B is 60%, and R is 10%. Same way, we'll calculate now B. I will use the same formula, that is G is equal to B multiplied by R. Now we don't know B, but we know R. What is R? Here it is 10%. We know G. So I'm going to apply alt TG to value is 6% by changing B. Yes, I got it. I'm converting into percentage. Now look at this. We got the B as 60%. So what I'm achieving by doing this, I need not to remember three formula. I have to just remember one formula. If I remember one formula, I can calculate all the item in that formula by using the goal seek. That is the beauty of this goal seek. Now let us take the one more example. That is weighted average cost of capital calculation. I've taken a small formula. I've taken a one problem, that is are limited as following capital structure, that is equity share capital, preference share at 6%, 8% debenture, and they've given some more information on this. The market price of the company's equity share is 20 rupees. The price of the share is 20 rupees. It is expected that the company will pay dividend at 2 rupees per share at the end of current year, that is future dividend, which will grow at 7% for every year, that is G. The tax rate may be presumed at 50%. So they've given four information and they're asking three questions. What is the question number one? Question number one is, what is the weighted average cost of capital based on the existing scenario? Point number one. Then the next question is, if additionally 20 lakh debt has been taken by the company at 10%, then the expected dividend will increase to 3 rupees and the price of the share will fall to 15 rupees. What will be the weighted average cost of capital? That is the next question. And third question is, assuming that the same as all the information pertinent is same as what they mentioned in problem number or point number 2, but one thing will change is growth rate. Growth rate is increased to 10%. That time, what is the weighted average cost of capital? Now, I will answer entire this problem using goal seek. Hmm. We'll start. I've kept the structure ready so that we can close this fast. What is the step number 1 to calculate the weighted average cost of capital? If you look at the problem here, they have given what is the cost of preference share capital, what is the cost of debenture, but they have not given equity share capital cost. But they have given 2 3 information pertaining to that. Based on this information, we have to calculate the cost of capital. As we know, based on DDM, D1, that is a dividend, expected dividend, divided by K minus G equals to share price. So we know what is the share price. Share price is 20 rupees. They have already given in the formula. 20 rupees is the share price, right? But we don't know what is the cost of capital. Presently, I will take it as a 10%. Just, just for the continuing purpose. And dividend, expected dividend, they have told 2 rupees. I will take that 2 rupees. And growth rate is already there, that is 7%. 7%. Now, I'm going to use this cell for applying this formula. That is 2 divided by Ke minus G. Ke minus G. I have applied this formula. Now, if I apply this formula, I should get 20 rupees, right? Now, in that case, I'm going to use this goal seek formula here. That is shortcut for goal seek is Alt G, and to value is 20 rupees by changing K, because K what I put is assumed number. Now, if I have to get 20, then what should be my K? My K will be, say enter, it will be 17%. So I'll say okay. So I got K now 17%. Now I'm going to apply here. I'll take this 17% here and 6% here, and this is 8%, but they told that we're going to get tax benefit, that is 50%. Therefore, balance 50%, I've taken it here. You can look at the formula for the problem. Problem says is 50% is the tax benefit. Accordingly, I've taken. Now, weights of this is this multiplied by this. Sorry. This divided by this. That is 50%. This divided by 10% divided by this. Total coming to 100%. Perfect. Now, effective cost is this multiplied by this, and copy the same formula down. And if I total this, sorry, I have to total it. If I total this, I will get the 10.75%. The answer is 10.75%. Option is there? Yes, option is there. 10.575%. This is the answer. Perfect. Now we'll get to the second problem. Second problem, they are talking about, they are saying, I'm going to introduce additional 20 lakhs of debt, but the rate of interest is not 8%, it is a 10%. Further, my expected dividend will increase to 3 rupees and share price will fall to 15 rupees. So what does it mean? Since they have changed information pertaining to dividend and the price of the share, my cost of capital will change. So what I'm going to do is I will just copy this entire structure below. Same step I have to follow. Therefore, I'm going to copy this and paste here, right? So now they told the price will be 15 rupees and dividend will be 3 rupees. So we don't know what it is. Presently I've taken as 10 rupees, 10%, and growth rate will remain as 7%. If it is 10%, then it is showing as 100 rupees, but I want it as to come as 15 rupees. I'm going to apply the Alt G, that is called Seak Alt G. My cell is G24. That's where I put the formula. And to which value what I wanted is 15 by changing this, that is KE. Now the KE is 27%. So let's get the KE as 27%, right? And this remains 6%, this remains 4%. And I'm adding one more line item, that is debenture 10% at 20 lakh. So therefore my total becomes 1 crore and the cost is, it is 10% multiplied by 50%, that is 5%. Weights, I have to get the weight. This divided by this, it is becoming 100%. Then the effective cost is already come, except this item. I'm going to put this item. Now I'm going to total all this. Therefore, the weighted average cost of capital under the second scenario is 13.6. Is the answer right or wrong? We'll check it out. 13.6. Yes. Put the tick mark for this. Now the third question which they are asking is cost of capital if in two above growth rate increased to 10%. If you look at this in the previous, the original growth rate is 7%. In the second problem, they have not asked about the growth rate. They said it's remains same. Now all the information pertaining to problem second is remain same but except the growth rate. So now what we need to do is again copy paste the same structure. I'm copy pasting the same structure. I'm pasting it here, right? This is 3, right? Now the price is same, correct? Dividend is same, correct? K will take it as 10% only. It's an assumption for the formula purpose. The growth rate, what is the revised growth rate? We say 10%. We'll take it as 10%, right? Now I'm going to apply. I'll keep my cursor in this G42 and apply Alt G, that is called Seak. And what value I wanted? I wanted 15 rupees by changing again K. Boom. Must result in a number. There is an error. Okay, what is the error? Okay, this is showing an error because this and this is both are 10. That's why it is showing an error. No problem. What I'm going to do is instead of making it as 10, I'll take it as 1%. No issue. Presently, we'll take it as 1%, or I'll take it as 11%. Anyway, it's going to change. I'll take it as 11%. I'm applying the formula now. Alt G. This I wanted to make it as 15 rupees by changing K. Yes, I got it. It is 30%. Now cost I have taken as 30%. These cost all remain same. Everything remains same. Formula is already set. It is 14.8%. 14.8%. Yes. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt on this, please comment below. I will reply. Thank you.